I'm so excited. I just finished session 2 with a client and I think, my God, he's brilliant. And I remember why I do what I do, because it fills my heart with so much joy to see when my clients begin to shine in front of my eyes. And this is just what happened. And I just want to share this. I've seen him for session 1, someone who wasn't even sure if he actually wants to change, because the devil he knew felt kind of much more comfortable. He was crippled by stress and anxiety and overwhelm. I mean, he was really literally not being really able to get out of bed in the morning and doing what he had to do. Everything was just such a heavy weight, such a burden. There were clouds everywhere. He couldn't even imagine who he would be without the problem. So the first thing that we did, we were lifting the clouds. We were making that feeling just go, because it wasn't necessary any longer. It was just something he was used to feel, because it was also sort of a help for him, a safety net, comfortable in being in this discomfort, because it allowed him not to do anything, right? But now I saw him for session 2, completely different person, beginning to shine, smiling, and having a completely different goal that he brings to the work. And I think he didn't even notice this. I needed to mention this, like, hey, listen, that's a whole different thing we are now working on. Yeah, he said, true, because the fog has lifted and he now can see much more clear where he wants to go and actually what he wants to do with his life. And his nature that was covered by anxiety shines through. This open, interested, engaged, and curious person that he is, being eager to learn new things, shines through. And now he knew for the first time in a long time where he wanted to go. So we just needed to give him that little, that little bit of, you can do this, trust, courage. Take one step, make it comfortable for you, because the sense of comfort also shifts in a much more different direction without us noticing it, because it feels so natural, it feels so us. And this is what's happening for him. So he feels like, yeah, I can do that step. I can do that today even. Somebody who wasn't able to move anywhere before. I mean, this is just incredible. And I'm so, so, so proud of him and so happy for him. And this fills my heart with joy. It's absolutely wonderful. And if you think you can't change, think twice. It is possible, and it can happen in such a effortless and easy way that it feels like you doing something, as in, you're just doing something different, but it doesn't feel as if you're climbing a mountain that feels heavy and horrible. No, it feels true to you. And then change can become very easy and enjoyable. And the experience of something new can make you feel much more alive and brave and courageous. You just need to believe change is possible. It is. I see that all the time. So if you feel like this is something I want for myself too, I can't stand anymore the way that I'm living, that I'm feeling, that I put myself down all the time, that I'm fearful already when I'm getting up in the morning. Everything is just too much. Nothing can change. Is this what life is going to look like for the rest of my life? Reach out. Let's find out together what we can do together as a team for your well-being, for your freedom, for your happiness. Just get in touch. Yeah. Bye for now.